Hello everyone, welcome to today's review. In this video, I will be reviewing Brush Kerber. Here's his Meet the Cars bio. Brush Kerber is considered to be one of the most consistent veteran Piston Cup contenders. Kerber had numerous top 10 finishes in the 2006 season, but a string of mid-season malfunctions sidetracked his run for the Cup. With help from his 5-wheel sponsor and an overhauled diet, Brush changed his losing ways. He also thinks his recent success was helped by his loving wife, Catherine, and their 14 children: Hal, Brush Jr., Penelope, Jake, Marty, Willard, Ingrid, Lucille, Scotty, Wendell, Amy, Cassidy, Florence, and Truman. Like Harry Truman. Don't know who that is, but I'll tell you once I do. 33rd US President, there you go. So, his model is a Sherpa Motors Iota GT, and his design is very similar to Billy Wu Changes. Their numbers are also quite similar, though Billy's is 58 and Brush's is 56. So, let's have a look. So you've got the logo with a yellow bonnet. Run regular, slogan. Blue eyes. The side. I love the wheat design. Shows that's all natural, you know. 56, got a little white stripe going down the side with a red trim. You've got black rims, light year tyres. At the back is the written out logo, so yeah, Viper Fuel. I'm running regular, that's the slogan again. There's obviously same on this side, then the roof edge just on 56 as it is on pretty much all races. Then again there's a Fiber Fuel logo right here, yellow spoiler. How many window bars does he have? 2. He is 2. Whilst the other races have 3, maybe even 4, you know.